Good morning, sir. This is Balaji Enterprises. See, this is a rotary soda filling and capping machine. Okay, with this machine, this is the control panel. Okay, with touch screen and some buttons are over there. And back side of this machine, you can see this is a carbonator and a carbonated tank. You will get chiller also. This is a syrup tank. Okay, this is not included with machine. Okay, you can see there is a blueberry syrup inside this chiller. Okay, now we will show you complete demo of this machine. First, I will show you what is inside this control panel. See, we are opening control panel. Okay, okay. Now see, this is a Delta PLC. With the help of this PLC, this machine is running. Okay, this is a completely our shop-based programming panel. We are doing programming here only, and this is a relay box. This is a driver. This is the driver, and this is a transformer. Okay, and this is a carbonator PCB card. This is the MCB, and this is the power supply. Okay, with this help of Delta PLC, you can set easily all soda filling timing, syrup timing, all capping timing, and adjustment timing, and the speed. Everything I will show you here. These are the main control panel. Okay, first I will switch off this panel. Okay, okay. See, after switch off this, okay, this machine is completely stops. Okay, then again I will switch on this panel. Okay, this is the power button. Okay, see, now it is starting, and the machine is also running. Okay, see, Balaji Enterprises Pune automatic rotary pet bottle soda filling machine. Then next in the main setting panel, see, there are 5 buttons. Setting, test outputs, help, input status, output status. In the setting, you can set all the syrup setting, soda setting, capping setting, syrup in between timing setting, cycle delay. All are inside this. See, soda filling, syrup timing, carbon cap rotation timing, cycle delay. In this video, you are not getting clearly. Okay, but when you will come here, okay, we will show exactly what it is. Okay, then in the test output, see, you can check whether all these outputs, okay, are running or not. See, this is now in the machine is in automatic mode. I think you are getting. Okay, and if you want to check all the outputs, see, we are currently doing in manual mode. Okay, okay. When you will touch this button, it will automatically come manual. It is now in manual mode. See, machine is stopped here. Okay, now one by one you are checking whether all the outputs are in okay condition or not. Now when we will touch the indexing motor, see, it is on. Now only this is indexing is running on. Okay, machine is running on. See, now I will stop this. Stop. Okay, this stop. See here. Okay, the indexing motor is now off. Now I will start. I will touch this cap rotation button. Now it is off. Now it is on. See, this capping motor is only running. Okay, okay. When again it will switch off. Okay. Okay, now it is switch off. Like that, there are syrup pump, you can make it on. Soda cylinder station, you can make it on. And then cap cylinder, you are making it on. Soda filling, you can check it is on or not. Okay, CO2 gas, is there any problem with CO2 gas station or not? Okay, like this in manual mode, you can check every output is on or not. Then back side again. Now after checking in manual mode, again you can make it automatic mode. See, just by pressing automatic mode, the machine is now in total running condition. Okay, see. Okay, now I am telling you the third system. In the help button, okay, see, our address is there, our email address is there. Okay, you can contact on these numbers. Okay, then again fourth number, back side, input status and output status. In that, see, you can just check the status of this all the outputs. Okay, in the output status, input status, see, there is sensor. It is all the sensors coming to the machines are okay or not. And in the output status, okay, see, Now the stepper motor is running, the cap rotation motor is running. The syrup pump filling station cylinder, it will on when and only bottle is there. Okay. For sensing the bottle, this is the switch. Okay. Now we will show you complete demo. Okay. See, we are taking now bottle. Already see there is a cap inside the machine. Okay, cap is placed from here. Okay, see. Okay. Now in our machine counter pressure filling system is used here. Okay, means this cylinder is pressing this bottle and system is placing gas inside the bottle. Okay, so the soda strongness will be maintained. After that, see, I am showing with help of my see, this is syrup placing in the bottle. Okay, see the level of the final content. That is the specialty of our machine. Okay, like this, you have to just put the bottle and a cap over there, and you can increase the soda level and syrup level with the help of that panel. You can check the soda level, final soda and syrup content level. All are the same. So please contact the Balaji Enterprises. All the telephone number are written in the description. The last bottle, okay, soda is already off, that's why only syrup is came.